Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the case has power. Look for the LED status and plug the lightning cable if amber or off. This ensures stable pairing. Open the lid and take out the earbuds by the stems, not the tips, so you don't block contacts. Keep your iPhone or device within a few feet so Bluetooth sees the case immediately. Once done, you're ready to move to connection and charging steps. Place both Airpods into the case and close briefly, then open it again. This resets contact alignment and triggers the LED. If the LED blinks white, tap Connect on your device. If not, press and hold the Setup button on the back for 5 to 10 seconds to force pairing mode. Make sure to charge with a good lightning cable or Kai pad as appropriate. Doing so preserves battery health and ensures reliability. Once paired, put the AirPods in, play audio, and confirm microphone function in calls so you know everything routes correctly. Adjust fit if audio feels off. If charging or connection falters, inspect and gently clean the case and AirPod contacts with a dry cloth to remove debris because grime interrupts charging. If problems persist, reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds. This often clears firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.